everybody, and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. My name is Brian, and today we are going to learn how to draw Funko Superman. That's right, Funko Pop Superman. This is gonna be really fun. I love Funko Pops and I love Superman, so we're gonna have to draw him. Get your pens, get your pencils, your markers, your Crayola crowns, and is it crayons or crowns? Yeah, it's gonna be crayons, isn't it? My bad. Get your crayons and let's draw this Funko Pop Superman. So before we get too far, I have to give you a trivia question. This is a good one. You guys do not want to miss this one. So, did you know that Superman fought the KKK? The Ku Klux Klan? Absolutely. And I want to know, how did Superman fight the KKK? Is there anybody else out there that knows about Superman fighting them? Well, I will give you the answer somewhere in this video. Probably towards the end, just saying, nudge, nudge. But watch the whole thing if you could, I'd really appreciate it. Draw along with me, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and in the end, you'll have a beautiful picture. Okay, there we go. I spilled the beans. Now let's draw Superman. So Superman Funko Pop, the secret about a Funko Pop is the eyes. So you got really round, circular eyes, and that makes it Funko Pop, I guess. Make everything a little bit tighter and make them a little bit shorter, and guess what? You got a Funko Pop. So I was reading up on Superman because, of course, we're doing this video, and I was wondering how many superpowers this guy had. Guess what? It's a lot, and it keeps changing. He's got heat vision, he's got super strength, his skin's invulnerable to anything, really, except for kryptonite, and he could have Arctic breath where he blows things away and freezes things. He also has a superpower, recently I believe, where he just explodes outward and fire goes all around him. So, I mean, these superpowers keep adding and keep adding. So, I don't know, he could fly too, right? I mean, he could fly, see through things. I mean, it never ends, it never ends. So, I've thought about it, I'm gonna become Superman. That's right, I'm gonna wish it into being. I'm gonna be all powerful, and I'm gonna be able to fly, and I don't wanna be Superman. His mom and dad, they die on Krypton. Oh, I can't do it. Well, we tried. So if you were a superhero, who would you want to be? I ask that question a lot, and when I'm thinking about it, I think I changed my mind a lot, but I still want to be Freakazoid. Those of you that know who Freakazoid is know the awesomeness of the 90s, so a little bit weird of a cartoon, but I liked it. Better than SpongeBob, let's just say that. Alright guys, I'm actually, whew, excuse me, my voice just cracked there, I don't know why. I'm actually going to give you the answer to the trivia question. Alright, my question to you was, how did Superman fight the KKK? Well, after the Second World War had ended, the KKK was undergoing a revival. They grew more and more violent and audacious with their actions. This did not sit well with activist Stenson Kennedy, and he resolved to fight against them. And guess what? He did it. He decided to join the KKK in order to learn all their secrets, and back then they had a lot more secrets than they do now. Once information was gathered, he learned and told the police, and the police said, "We're not doing anything about it. We don't care." But guess what? He found another way. Looking for some way to hit the KKK hard and exposing them and demoralizing them and making them pay. He hoped they would be willing to adapt a story on the radio in which Superman would battle the KKK, while simultaneously exposing the real-world lingo and secrets that he had found out. The makers of the radio show said, "Hey, that's an amazing idea." And they made a 16-part storyline called Clan of the Fiery Cross. The story was effective and demoralized the KKK, harming their recruitment efforts. So isn't that a crazy story? I thought so. I hope you enjoyed this drawing, and I hope you enjoyed the story. And just know that there's always someone out there fighting evil. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know how your drawing turned out. I would love to see it if you put it in the comments. I will see you on the next video. A goodbye.